Hello from Edinburgh Airport again. You might get tired from this, but usually I fly from Edinburgh Airport. Uh, Today I'm flying to Dubai with Emirates after. Oh, I think I did not fly with Emirates for 5 years almost, or 4 years, yeah, something like that. So I'm really looking forward to that. Dubai is not my final destination, but I have 10 hours layover there. Let's go and check in.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
We checked in our bags already. Bye bye. I am after security. It was so quick. I always saying that it's super easy to fly in first 3 months of year. It's so quiet everywhere, perfect. I'm already in a lounge, Premier Lounge, my favorite here in Edinburgh. A little bit more information about the flight today. As I mentioned, I'm flying with Emirates Economy Class Airbus 350. As I said, I did not fly with Emirates for such a long time, so I'm really looking forward to this experience. And as I said, Dubai is not my final destination. I'm going to have there 10 hours layover and then I'm going to continue to Manila. And I have again fly with Emirates there, but you will see that in another video. Let's enjoy the lunch for a bit. I have a beer and Rad with me.
I have the same.
We have few more hours here before we take off, and as you probably guess, because of the dark, almost dark, it's overnight flight. I actually really like overnight flights, especially like these long flights. For me, it's much better than day flight. It's almost time to board our flight. I am actually Group E, which is probably at the end, but it's fine. I think we are not going to have any delay or something. Usually when we fly with Emirates, there is no delay. And to be honest, I'm getting pretty tired. At one point it's really good because I hope I will sleep and I can explore a little bit of Dubai in the morning. But I want to record as much as I can for you. I spoke too soon. I think we are going to be late few minutes because we are still boarding. It's not our zone yet, so we'll still need to wait a few minutes. It's my zone. There is still so many people, I think.
Your flight is now ready for boarding.
All good, and we are ready to go. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
From the
Yes.
second one on the right, please.
Thank you.
Welcome. Hello, sir. Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Of course, a window seat, it must be. It's actually pretty new. Wow. So what we have? A pillow, blanket, headphones. Wow, so far I really like this plane. It's actually bigger than I remember. It's definitely new aircraft. And I really like this. There is a space for your mobile here. Wow. And check this.
سادتي وسادتي طاب مساءكم أهلا بكم على هذه الرحلة إلى دبي بالتعاون مع قوانتس. نرحب مجددا بأبناء Emirates Skywards
Lovely.
برنامج المسافر الدائم
Nice.
قوانتس. أفراد الطاقم على رحلتنا اليوم يأتون من 11
Yeah, it's
دولة
definitely new.
وتحدث 11 لغة.
Wow.
رجاء
Let's check the entertainment. Recommendation, movies, TV, music, games, skits, live map. What we have here. We are still in Edinburgh. And we are so lucky because it's just me and Rad here. We have empty seat next to us, which is perfect. Wow. Here we are, ready to take off. One of the biggest plus, you can pair your headphones with a screen. Wow, game changer. We got a dinner menu. I actually feel like in business class. It's so good. If you want and you want to be a fancy, you can get a bottle of Moet with nuts for $25. We are ready for our dinner.
Any other drinks?
Thank you. Can I have white wine, please?
White wine, sure.
Thank you. Cheers. Let's check what I have. So there was either salmon fish cake or something like that, or chicken curry. I got chicken curry. Then I have a salad, strawberry cheesecake, water, some nibbles, bread, cheese, butter, small chocolate. Wow, perfect. Perfect. And we have a proper cutlery. Last time when I flew with Emirates, we did not have a normal cutlery. We have a wooden cutlery, which is not really good. Let's go and try it. toilet as small, like a usual plain toilet, but you have a space to move. It's clean, everything is here. They have some branded amenities here. I'm going to brush my teeth and hopefully I will get some sleep. So they have a hand body lotion and the toilet Noir. And a mirror, another mirror, amazing. Very good morning from a plane. We are going to have a breakfast. Hi. Hey, for you for snacks? Can I have a cheese paste and a coffee? Coffee with it. Yes. How about you? Oh. Coffee with mint. This one is for you. I'm gonna make with cheese. Thank you. I need to wait for my pastry, but it's fine. I have a coffee. Rad has peach vanilla pastry.
Looks like that.
Delicious. And we have just 1 hour 36 minutes. And we are there. We are almost there. Very welcome from Dubai Airport. We have 10 hours layover here before our other flight. We will go outside. We are going to passport control and then out to explore. We are after security check, actually passport control. They also check your bags. Here you can wait for your luggage. It was pretty easy today. They have a smart gates already here, which is perfect. I'm not sure if it's in all terminal, but terminal 3, which is for Emirates, they do it, and it wasn't busy, which was perfect. About my flight, everything was absolutely perfect. I can't complain about anything. Clean, super nice stewards, Food was really good. Actually, the main dinner was delicious. I really like it. Pastry, I'm not really fan of these pastries. I know they do it, like they give you pastries almost at every airlines. I don't really like it, so and it's up to your preference. Otherwise, it was perfect. I'm so happy. I think it is one of the best economy class. I'm not sure if it's like every time. So hopefully flight to Manila is going to be that good as well. I will let you know definitely. But that's it from this review. Hopefully you like it. If you did, smash thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And stay tuned because in next video you will see what you can do in 10 hours here in Dubai. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.